Top of the morning, team. Y'all already know. Had to sleep on it, man. Put in so much work. Yeah, surf's up. Let's go. Time for that first drive, you dig? Want y'all to experience this with your boy. Eee. Love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, can't forget. Don't mind the car. I will definitely clean the surfer up. All right, team. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Safety first. I know it probably doesn't matter, but I definitely brought my skin just in case, just to see with this shit flashing, what is it gonna tell me? But let's run it a little bit. Smooth, but we'll work on that. I know I'm missing an oxygen sensor, so that could be it for right now. Moving though. We moving, it runs. We moving though. Let me go above 3,000 RPM. As of right now. with a exhaust spot out here because I don't know if I can take this all the way to NY, but I know that gap is exactly why this shit is accelerating the way it is. The safe side. Yep, so that's definitely what it is. This exhaust gotta get fixed ASAP. But let me head over to the zone. Let's go drop this damn oil off. Hey, be quite all right. All right, team, just want to give y'all a quick follow up, keep y'all in the loop with it. Got my volt stabilizer, spark plugs, MSD ignition coils. Let's rock and roll. Let's throw this shit in. Hopefully that'll help something out. I'll wait until I catch that next nice day so I can fuck with the valve cover and see what's good with that. So I'm about to snatch this intake manifold off. Should be relatively quick, 1, 2, 3 type thing. And let's just do the quick swap with the front and rear ignition coils and see how that plays out. Let's go. All right, team, quick update. Just got the rear ignition coils and spark plugs in. So MSDs is in. I went with the Iridiums. I mean, in GK. The ones I had before was the Ruthiliums. I don't know. These look a little fucked up, bro. So I don't know if that was fucking with the engine or not, what have you. So I just went back to specs. Hopefully new spark plugs, new ignition coils. That'll help. This shit was leaking. I got a new cap as well. Radiator cap. Gonna clean this up right quick. Got a little bit of light, so we're gonna do the damn thing, try to finish this up, see where I could get to, and then throw my light on, finish getting it popping. Let's go. All right, team, everything plugged in the back. I'm just about to throw you know, my red cover over it, so I know this was something that I worked on, and we should be good. But I'm thirsty now. I'm ready to clean this whole shit up, big. Get a little bit of water, clean this shit up, wipe it down. So now I can double check the radiator, make sure that that shit is good, and we might have to get some more coolant to fill that up. No bullshit. I'm about to go put the old VVT back in this shit so I can send the new one back. Because if my old one is still good, I want my money back. Fuck that. So I'm about to snatch the 2 reservoirs out, take that out as well, and we'll just do the quick swap and knock this shit out, team. Y'all already know. Let's go, baby. Fingers crossed. And my next thing is I may take these filters off, this one here and the other one that was on my cold air intake, and just put a hose, because maybe that's causing my vacuum leak. Because when I look at everything else seems to be square. So if I still have a vacuum leak when I put everything back and see how everything turns out, I might just slide over to Advanced and get a nice size vacuum hose to go from here to the cold air intake, and we'll do it like that. You already know, team. Put that work in. Let's see what it sounds like. Whoa. Whoa. Steady check engine light. Let's go. Let's go. See what's up. I'll change the engine oil and see if that'll do it. So, I mean, we straight. It's a steady check engine light. We in here, team. Let's go. Big improvement.